Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to get system generated delivery order for a job in Fresa application. Initially, you need to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now open the job to get system generated delivery order. If it is a current active job, then you can open it directly. After your click, you will be redirected to the job screen where you can find all the details of your job. Now click on edit button. Here we can find the delivery order number column. We can click on generate button to get system generated delivery order number. If you want to enter manually, then also you can enter over here. After generating the number, click on save changes button. Now the delivery order number has been added to your shipment or job. So this is how you can get system generated delivery order number for a job or shipment in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.